Bye, guys. I love you. See you when I get back. Bye, Joel. I gotta kiss your face. Come here. Okay, we're gonna chat as soon as I take this allergy pill. So, today we are going to visit one of my dear friends. We're meeting up after a very long COVID separation, and we're going to brunch at Silver Diner. We figured that was neutral territory where we could both find something that we love to eat. I don't know if you know it, but Silver Diner has a lot of farm fresh to table items, and also they have an expanded plant-based line of meals, and so I thought it would be a great place for us to meet up. I'm excited and I'm really hungry because it's now 10:54 and I haven't eaten today, and that's not a big deal except when it is, and today it is. I just feel really hungry. As a matter of fact, I've been really just struggling with hunger all week, and that's what I want to tell you about. So I went back to work 2 weeks ago, so I'm currently doing concurrent teaching, which is some kids are in the classroom in person and some kids are remaining online, and I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the hardest things I've had to do as a teacher. And I know if you're not a teacher, then it just might sound like it's simple and easy, but it really is just a challenge because you have your focus, your attention is divided between the kids that are in front of you and have needs. And I teach lower elementary, so my kids are really little. And so if a little one is standing in front of me and they need help zipping their pants, tying their shoes, or getting supplies, then I have to be able to do that. But I've got a whole class online who has needs and who also need assessments. So I've got to be present online to look at them, look how they're forming letter sounds and letters and teaching. So it's a struggle, y'all. I'm on the struggle bus, and I have been for the last 2 weeks. And because of that, just going back to work, teaching hybrid, and then also some things happening in my personal life where I'm struggling with that, it just made for a snowstorm of stress and stress eating. And that's where I've been all week. And all I can do is just be 100% honest with you. This has been the hardest week that I've experienced since I started this plan. Usually I can put my head down and keep going forward, but this week I found myself stress eating on rice and broccoli. I mean, who does that? It was just so sad. And I've been praying for myself, and I've been encouraging myself with scripture, and all of those things are necessary for me to do. But my old habit of when I'm hurting or I'm stressed and I can't deal with life, that old habit of turning to food rears its ugly head for me, and I wish it would just die. I wish I could just make it not do that. I wish that weren't my natural response, but it is. And so even though I don't have a lot of junk food around me to stress eat on, I really will just eat whatever's in front of me, and I'll eat it just to try to make myself forget what I'm going through, or eat like hand to mouth out of habit because I feel tension, and then I just go grab something because somehow internally, and not even always consciously, I just go towards food. I gravitate towards food. So I'm trying to work on that, my stress eating response. It's taken a lifetime, and it may take the rest of my life, and it's a battle I'm willing to invest in, I'm willing to fight for, because I want a healthy life and I want a healthier mindset around food. Anybody that tells you, oh, just change out your veggies or this and that, if you are a stress eater, or if you actually have a food addiction, it doesn't work like that way, because until the spiritual and the mental part are healed, you're just going to struggle, and that's where I am. So this week I'm not weighing in. I let myself off the hook. I just came off progress reports last week, and I spent the entire weekend working. The entire weekend. I barely got to hang out with my family. And now that that's behind me, just to jump into one more task, it wouldn't have been healthy for me. I'm already in a place that's not great. So I'm just going to take it easy, breathe a little bit, have brunch with a friend at Silver Diner, and enjoy my time with another human being that I adore. And I'm just going to find some rest and some healing, and I'm going to self-care this weekend. And I'm not going to think about, am I doing this perfectly? Do I have 10 pounds of kale already processed? Not doing any of that. I'm going to chill, y'all. I'm going to chill, and I'm going to take a break and have a great lunch, and I'll see you at Silver Diner. Hello all. So I'm back from lunch, or from brunch I should say, and it was amazing. If you have a local Silver Diner in your area and you want to eat or just maintain a whole foods plant-based plan, or you want some vegetarian, vegan junk food, then this is the place, because I was surprised. I went in there and they had the Beyond Burger, and they have all sorts of creation, from cauliflower, meatball, macaroni and cheese kind of mix with Beyond Meat, and they make a nutritional yeast cheese sauce for it. I mean, the options now are incredible. So check it out if you have a Silver Diner anywhere in your area. I will say this was a much needed outing. I just enjoyed my time. I soaked up just the opportunity to be with a friend and decompress and relax a little bit and laugh. And that was the best part. We can tear up and laugh together. We can just be ourselves and not have to put on any airs, and I loved that. So this was a great mental health opportunity for me, and I am so grateful that I had it, and I have such beautiful friends. Anywho, you'll notice I'm in the car because I'm here with my husband. While I was off having brunch, my husband was chauffeuring our children around. They had youth group this afternoon, and so now we got to go pick them up. And yes, they practice social distancing and they wear their masks, but I love the fact that they still can get together and just connect with humanity, even though the world is crazy right now. So we're gonna go pick them up, and then I'm gonna come home, change clothes quickly, and head out for my walk. So next time I see you, it'll be on the walk. So my final task for today, get the walk in. I'm gonna do this, go back, clean up, and chill with my family. See you then. Thanks for hanging out with me. So next weekend I'll be back with a weigh-in. I'll officially weigh in next weekend, and I'm looking forward to the rest of this week just recouping and recharging, and we'll pick up from there. And in case you need to hear it, it's okay to unplug. It's okay to take a break. It's okay. You can call it mental health, call it whatever. If you're just feeling tired, it's all right to step back and take care of you. Times are stressful, and we all need a break every now and again. So I appreciate you joining me on this journey today. I will see you in the next video, and if you haven't already, make sure you like this video. It really helps me out a ton. And don't forget to subscribe and follow this journey. I weigh in consistently, and I let you know my ups and downs and all of the real life that's happening around my weight loss in perimenopause. So I'm looking forward to continuing the journey with you next weekend. Be blessed, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.